I did this car before. It's a 1929 Ford Coupe. And you know, Yellow Dog Racing's got the yellow motor, of course. Electric fan, of course. There's another video on it. Actually, I'd point to it if I can find it. He explained everything about it. And one thing I can remember was, you know, the doors. That's how they factory made them. They eventually they decided to make a channel there and have them fit flush. So these are the kind of car I'd like to get a car something like this. Maybe just a little bit bigger as a daily driver. I don't care what kind of shit, as long as it's, you know, don't have to have, it could be painted with a brush or something. I don't care. But these new cars, the new cars, I don't think they're really restorable, man. You know, it's like unless you don't drive them or something, you can keep them like the new ones. But the new ones, they got so much crap on them. It costs you more money to freaking install the electronics than it would to be, you know, do the whole car like a car like this and the new ones, you know. So.